So are you wondering if the Samsung Galaxy A15 has got a slow motion camera? Then yep, it actually does have one. So let's go to our photo settings, and in the video mode you can't really enable the setting. We have to go to the more section here and click the slow motion option, and then we can record any slow motion option. However, to be completely honest, this slow motion completely sucks on the phone, and it's nearly it's garbage basically. So well, let's check how it record, and it maybe slows down the footage a bit, but it does. You can see some kind of effect, but it's nowhere near the actual slow motion footage that you get on actually decent phones. So yeah, don't purchase this phone for the slow motion. And also all the cameras on these phones are complete garbage as well, really. Actually some mid-range phones that were released like maybe 5 or 6 years have much better cameras than these. Again, pretty much most flagship phones that were released maybe even 10 years ago has better cameras than the A15, and really the A15 cameras are complete garbage basically. And yeah, it's still a very cheap phone. However, Samsung really needs to do something about the cameras on these budget phones, since look at the year we are in the now. So there's really no reason apart from Samsung wanting you to purchase their more expensive phones. Yeah, it's a really shame that they have such bad cameras. So if it was helpful, make sure to hit the like button.